Hello, my name's Jacob Gower. I am a Dorset-based drummer. I'm 29 years old and I've been playing since I was 10, so 19 years, which is scary to think about. But for the last 6 or so years, I've been playing with my band Collision, which is hard rock, alt rock, grunge, somewhere in between all of that. Awesome. It's been really good fun, and yeah, it's always exciting getting to make music with those guys because there's all sorts of different influences that come into it as well. I have recently come aboard with Collision and got myself a couple of pairs of 5As and the 5A Reach, which I really enjoyed. Really good, awesome quality sticks, and the Reach version as well I've found really helpful because sometimes I put way too many cymbals on, and it's a good way of being able to ensure you can still get to everything you need to. Yeah, Collision are awesome. Their sticks are great quality. I really like how they support artists from all sorts of levels of their careers and try and just give everybody a platform to improve from and have that support, which is amazing. And I'm really looking forward to getting my teeth into their community as well. It's something that I haven't really been able to get into as much as having a community of drummers to be able to get feedback from people that have been putting just as many hours in as I have, if not more. This track that you're about to hear is called Through the Night from our first album. It's one of our absolute favourites to play, and I hope you enjoy it.
Something for me.